Hello, everyone. How's it going? I hope that you're all fine. This is not gonna be a video. This is actually gonna be an audio podcast from my home, from my telephone that I just wanted to share that to all of you guys out there that are very interested in the work that I have been doing for the last 5 months on YouTube and from self-taught polyglot. Very happy and I'm very thankful to you guys for all your support. Although we have a lot to do, we have a long way to go, but I'm very grateful for what I have now. I hope in the near future to get by recording videos. I'm gonna do that. I'm preparing for that. But I just wanna send this message that I'm not. It's not that I am stopping um, to do something else. That I stop recording videos in order to do something else. It's just that there's some requirements, some you know technological requirements just to publish videos, and I have just been I have a lot of hardships, trying to figure out how to do my work, especially to publish videos, to create great videos and create great content for you guys to enjoy in language, inspiration, linguistics, and some spiritual thing that I wanted just to share to you guys. I'm here. This is an audio. I hope that you're gonna take it. You're just gonna listen to it, even though it might be a little bit different from your expectations, because you might think that it should have been a video, but you're gonna have the video pretty soon. December is coming, and I hope that I'm gonna have the opportunity